What you are about to witness is not just a restoration. It is the astonishing rebirth of a forgotten legend. Buried under layers of rust and time, its soul waits to be awakened. The transformative process begins with a complete deconstruction, stripping away the decaying past to reveal the machine's true heart. Every screw and bolt holds a story of neglect, now ready to be rewritten. The engine, the very core of its power, is meticulously dismantled. Years of accumulated grime are blasted away, a baptism of fire and steam. The skeleton is laid bare, a testament to what once was. Each component is separated, cataloged, and prepared for its renewal. Deep within the engine's heart, precision work begins. Every part is cleansed, washing away the shadows of its former life. The purification ritual continues, piece by piece. No detail is too small, no stain is left behind. From the depths of decay, a new brilliance emerges. The engine begins its journey back to life, reassembled with expert hands. Two minds, one purpose, to resurrect the heart of the beast. Slowly, carefully, the mechanical puzzle is pieced back together. Each gear and piston finds its rightful place, a symphony of metal. The engine is whole once more, sealed and ready for its new destiny. The intricate ballet of mechanics continues, a testament to hidden craftsmanship. The focus now shifts to the elements that connect it to the road. The drive chain, caked in the dirt of 1,000 miles, is meticulously scrubbed. A more aggressive method is needed to erase the deepest stains of the past. After the storm of sand, a cleansing rinse reveals its hidden shine. Finally, it is dried and polished, reborn and ready for the journey ahead. The wheels, weathered and worn, await their own transformation. With relentless effort, the grit and grime are painstakingly removed. The first signs of their former glory begin to appear. A special chemical bath is prepared to dissolve the last traces of wear. The process is intense, demanding patience and a steady hand. Every spoken surface is treated, ensuring a flawless foundation. The difference is stark, a glimpse of the brilliance to come. But to be truly reborn, the old surface must be completely erased. Sandblasting scours the metal, preparing a perfect canvas. This violent process is essential for a lasting, beautiful finish. The wheel is now pure, a blank slate awaiting its new identity. The brake discs, vital for control, receive the same meticulous attention. They are scoured and cleaned, ensuring perfect performance. The surface is ground down, removing imperfections and rust. Sparks fly as the metal is honed to a razor-sharp perfection. The result is a surface that is both beautiful and ruthlessly efficient. Side by side, they are ready, symbols of renewed power and control. The final polish ensures not a single flaw remains. Every surface is wiped clean, prepared for the next stage. Attention to detail is paramount in this sacred process. Even the most advanced techniques are employed for a perfect finish. Now, the frame itself is purged of its rusty past with a cleansing foam. A ghostly white primer is applied, the foundation for its new skin. This crucial layer ensures the color will be vibrant and enduring. Excess is wiped away, perfecting the canvas. The frame is now a blank slate, its history erased, its future unwritten. The wheels, too, receive their base coat, a subtle gray primer. The spray gun moves with a steady, practiced rhythm. Every detail is checked, ensuring a uniform coat. The frame is positioned, ready for its dramatic transformation. The wheels are prepared for their final, vibrant color. One last wipe removes any lingering dust. And then, the moment of rebirth, a fiery orange explodes onto the frame. Layer by layer, its new identity is forged in brilliant color. The dull, rusted metal is now a vibrant work of art. The wheels receive the same fiery baptism, matching the frame's new soul. The transformation is almost complete, a stunning vision in orange. The color is rich, deep, and full of life. Attention now turns to the bodywork, the plastic shell that houses the soul. It is scrubbed and cleansed, removing the scars and stains of the road. Every piece is treated with the same unwavering dedication. High-pressure water blasts away the last remnants of its old life. The faded decals, ghosts of a previous identity, are carefully peeled away. It is a slow, painstaking process of revealing the pure surface beneath. Damaged sections, the deepest wounds, are surgically removed. This is not just repair. It is plastic surgery on an automotive scale. The edges are beveled and smoothed, preparing for the healing process. A power tool refines the cuts with precision. Every imperfection is ground away, creating a seamless foundation for repair. Once the grinding is done, the surface is wiped clean of all dust. This critical step ensures the new material will bond perfectly. The preparation continues, a methodical and patient ritual. Every contour and curve is inspected and cleaned. Only when the surface is perfect can the healing truly begin. The preparation work nears its end, the final touch is applied. The damaged plastic is now ready to be mended. With a practiced hand, the surface is sanded smooth. Focusing on the wounded areas, preparing them for a special filler. The sanding process is meticulous, creating the perfect texture for bonding. A powerful epoxy filler is applied, seamlessly closing the wounds. A reinforcing mesh is added, ensuring the repair is stronger than the original. The repaired pieces are now brought to the finishing table. They are sanded one last time, making the repairs invisible to the eye. Now, the painting begins, unifying the repaired bodywork with a coat of primer. Other pieces receive a coat of deep, gloss black. Inside the old fuel tank, a new heart is installed, the fuel pump. The exhaust system is polished, its metallic sheen restored. Every component, large and small, is brought back from the brink. The story of revival continues in every frame. An unwavering commitment to perfection is evident in every action. The vision of the final masterpiece drives the process forward. Countless hours are poured into these transformative moments. The lines between old and new begin to blur completely. Here, dedication is the most important tool. The fuel tank's rusted skin is painfully scraped away by hand. Each pass of the blade reveals the clean metal hidden beneath. It is a slow, methodical erasure of years of neglect. The final flakes of the old world are removed. Once clean, it is reborn in a sleek, powerful black. The suspension components are next bathed and scrubbed clean. They too are given a new, durable coat of black paint. Smaller parts are submerged and cleaned with intense focus. The rear suspension linkage is diligently brushed and cleaned. This painstaking work ensures flawless operation. All the body panels are gathered for a final, thorough cleaning. A high-pressure rinse washes away any last trace of the past. The painting continues, coating the renewed brake disc. Every part is given the same flawless, black finish. The steering assembly is coated with precision. Even the main chassis receives its final, protective layer. The resurrection begins. The fiery orange frame becomes a skeleton once more. Piece by piece, the reborn components are reunited. A final decal is applied, a mark of its new, aggressive identity. The assembly is complete. The machine is whole again. Every detail shines, a testament to the passion behind the work. From rust and ruin, a masterpiece is unveiled. The assembly is a delicate dance of man and machine. Each part is fitted with precision, bringing the vision to life. The final touches are applied, perfecting its aesthetic. The bold lines of the orange wheel draw the eye. The legend is reborn, polished, powerful, and ready to ride. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Michael Restoration for creating this wonderful video. And for allowing me to add this commentary. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their original channel. You can find a link to their channel in the description below.